એક વેપારી હતો, તેની પાસે એક ગધેડું હતું.
Once there was a merchant, he had an ass,
તે ગધેડા ઉપર હંમેશા વધારે મીઠાનો વજન મૂકી દેતો.
whom he always overburdened with salt.
લોડ ઉપાડવો તેના માટે હેવી વજનદાર રહેતો.
The load was very heavy for ass to carry.
એક દિવસ ગધેડો જઈ રહ્યો હતો, પાણી પસાર કરતી વખતે પાણીમાં લપસી ગયો.
One day, ass slipped into the stream while crossing it.
જ્યારે તે બહાર આવ્યો, મીઠું હળવું વજન હળવો થઈ ગયો અને તે ખુશ થઈ ગયો.
When it came out from the water, the load became lighter and he felt happy.
બીજા દિવસે જાણી જોઈને તે પાણીમાં પડ્યો.
Next day, he purposely fell into the stream.
માલિક તેની ચાલ સમજી ગયો
The merchant understood the ass's
અને
trick
તેને પાઠ ભણાવવાનું નક્કી કર્યું.
and he decided to teach it a
I
lesson.
ask you some questions regarding to passive voice. I save money.
Money saved by
I
me.
saved money.
Money was saved by
I
me.
will save money.
Money will be saved
I
by
am
me.
saving money.
Money is being
I
saved
was
by
saving
me.
money.
Money was being
I
saved by
have
me.
saved money.
Money
Has
has
been.
been saved
I
by
have
me.
saved money.
Money had been saved
I
by
will have
me.
saved money.
Money will have been saved by me.
Good. You gave the best.